좋아.
K920 up on Metro.
Hey, I should have been going into the perimeter.
Okay, I got a teleport about you. Number for you. 951.
5'10", close to 200 pounds. He's 18 to 20 years old. To his last gray sweatshirt, gray basketball pants.
Yeah.
This is my tack belt. So this is the belt that I wear, and you can feel how heavy it is.
Oh!
There's a lot of weight. So I carry in here my gas mask.
Yeah, gas mask.
You see, this is my gas mask that I wear with the filter. And then in here is my
extra magazine.
extra rifle magazine. And then
Flashbang.
yeah, my flashbang. We all carry two flashbang in here.
Oh. And 45.
This is my 45.
Kimber.
My Kimber. And that's pretty much it.
Dump pouch.
Dump pouch,
Yeah,
my
knee pad.
my eye protection.
Yeah.
And this is my tack
Yeah. Best.
vest. So, this probably weighs about 40 pounds, 35, 40 pounds.
45.
I don't know how many kilos that is. I'm trying to
우와. 네, 이게 이제 스왓이 기본적으로 입는 전술 베스트인데요.
You mean the plate?
Yeah,
No,
plate.
this is just regular soft
Soft.
level 4.
Level 4.
In here I carry one more, extra magazine. And then for pistol magazine, extra for pistol magazine. My radio,
Radio.
my communication. And
PTT?
yes, I have that.
이건 뭘까?
So this is the headphone.
Yeah.
So I put this in here. And this is the
That's it.
communication. Let's see for this. And then I hear this is tape,
Yeah.
Duct tape.
Duct tape.
because we do explosive.
Yeah.
So C4, C2 explosive, and this is for our personal
Earplug. Yeah.
if I get shot, I have a tourniquet,
Yeah.
trauma kit.
Trauma kit.
Yeah, for myself.
지혈 때죠. 일종의 팔다리에 총 맞았을 때 출혈을 막는. 근데 이 라이플 매거진을 레그 쪽으로 좋아하시는 거예요? 여기서 이렇게 하는 것보단 이쪽에서.
Extra two. Yeah. So now I have 3 magazines. So I have 1, 2, and then 3, and then my rifle.
아.
This is
네.
we carry in here
나이트 비전.
night vision goggles. Good. Now
야.
we work at night. We have night vision goggles.
네. 야투경 나이트 비전이고요. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I
Oh.
showed you. This is my
Yeah, H&K
H&K 416.
416.
So this is a short barrel, 10.5-inch barrel, and fully automatic.
Yeah.
So
EOTech,
EOTech.
laser device,
This is a laser. So when we have night vision, we use
IR laser.
IR laser, and feel heavy, kind of heavy, but
오, psst. 이제 보통 작전을 뛰실 때, 네, 독일제 소총입니다. 땡큐.
this is everyone's favorite.
MP5.
MP5. This is probably the most popular
야,
submachine gun.
9mm. 근데 9mm 권총탄을 쓰는 MP5 슬링을 이렇게 우리나라에도 굉장히 많이 쓰죠. 찰스 본인은 어느 게 더 나아요? HK 사이즈?
Depends. It's different. We use the MP5 for close quarters. Yeah, so it's only 9mm, but more for really close quarter battle. But now, because the H&K is so small, a long time ago before H&K, like the M1 used to be longer, 16-inch barrel. And now they give us a short barrel, only 10.5 inch. So this is almost the same size as the MP5. So we use this because MP5 I can't put night vision, I can't put laser, I can't put everything. Most people use this now because we have more options, variety. Night vision, we can work at night, and this is more of a bigger bullet. So people like this more now, more effective. It's more heavy. It's heavier.
아, 이거는 신형 U1인가 봐요. 피맥 들어가는 거 보니까.
A lot more options. Before you could carry Colt. Colt M4.
M4. CQB-R.
Yes, yes.
이 장비 중에 이렇게 나이프 같은 게 있잖아요. 어떻게 툴로 많이 쓰시죠? 툴 오히려.
Tool, seatbelt. You cut the seatbelt out.
cut the seatbelt.
Rescue, or open a lock.
오픈 락.
Cut.
그거 뭐? 네, 나이프는 툴로 더 많이 쓰신답니다. 문을 연다든가. 우와. 이 베널리 회사에서 만든 M4라는 샷건입니다. 세미오토매틱.
So here on the side we keep slugs.
요, 슬럭.
Round. Yeah, and then inside and here's a double up buck.
Double up bucks.
9 pellets, but this is a slug round we carry in case we need bigger bullets.
메트로폴리탄 디비전의 무기고고요. 이렇게 문을 보시면 금고문처럼 이렇게 돼 있네요. 여기 바깥쪽엔 또 돼 있고 메트로폴리탄 디비전. 자, 들어가 보시죠.
You see, this is all the inventory weapons.
이야, M4.
Right now, it's a little bit messy because we're doing they brought a lot of new equipment. They're doing inventory. Let's see. This is all the green shotgun is for less lethal, like beanbag.
빈백.
Beanbag and rubber bullets
네.
that they keep. So everything here is all green.
이쪽에 있는 샷건은 그린색이에요. 이건 이제 빈백이라는 그 탄을 쓰는데 비치사성 탄환이라고 죽지 않고 충격을 임팩트를 줘가지고 뭐 쇼크 또는 뭐 기절을 시키는 그런 용으로 쓰는 총들이고요. 여기 이렇게 보이는 건 MP5고 독일제, 그리고 밑에 건 또 빈백 쏘는 샷건이고요.
This, the yellow shotgun is called a taser.
테이저.
Yes, we have a taser shotgun. So what this does is it shoots a cartridge
Yeah,
100 feet away
Yeah, I saw
and
that.
without a wire. Yeah, it hits and then the wire comes off in the taser. So we use this sometimes as well, but not too bad.
저 샷건은 테이저건이라고 이렇게 권총인 걸 이렇게 샷건 총알로 만들어 가지고요. 멀리 쏠 수 있게끔 개조된 게 있거든요. 그걸 쏠 수 있는 샷건이라고.
So this is where they do all the repairs and new equipment.
One carries a 45 Glock, and then it's all Kimber or Colt. So this is a training pistol here. So all the orange means there's no firing pin.
Yeah.
Take them
Yeah.
out. So
Yeah, that's
we
right.
can actually train. When we go to different training, you can actually point a gun. It's not going to fire, but this is the same kind of training gun that they carry.
안 그래도 이렇게 LAPD 그 아머리 그런 막 이렇게 헤비 아머라 M60이나 미니미 뭐 이런 것도 있을 줄 알았는데.
So we don't have any like real special guns. I'm not sure what I think. I think this is recently. We have an old Uzi that we.
여기서 쓰던 건가요?
Yes.
아 예. 이 이스라엘제 기관단총인데요, 우지라고 9mm, 9mm. 예전에 여기서 쓰던 총이랍니다.
Remember this? SKS.
예.
So
네. 이건 왜 있는 거죠? AK, SKS? 여기에?
we have all different guns in the inventory. Just to have. We don't use it necessarily, but we have. So armors know how to train and use, and we need to be familiar with all different types of guns.
아연.
All right, that's it.
Yeah.
Not much here. Pretty boring.